It's now again. This is Jeremy interrupting the It's Now Again feed for an announcement about a new program that I'm beginning. Let me ask you something. Have you lost your faith? How do you find meaning, real meaning, when you're feeling lost, lonely, and disconnected from the spiritual framework you once relied on? It's not easy, is it? You're searching for peace, for purpose, and yet without the religion or community you grew up in, everything feels different. Maybe you've even wondered, is it even possible to live a values-led life with purpose without Christianity or the Bible as your guide? Now, I bet you've tried reading books, watching videos, and listening to podcasts, right? You've been searching for answers, for a way forward, but nothing has quite worked for you so far. And if you're a parent or someone with a full-time job, or both, I know it's even harder. So how do you even find the time to reflect on your true values? And how do you justify spending money on therapy or self-development when that feels, well, selfish? I get it. Why is it so nerve-wracking to even think about moving forward without your old beliefs? That constant battle to regain a sense of meaning, it's exhausting. Is it really worth it? Can you even find meaning without your church community and the Bible as your blueprint? It's a lot to unpack. Maybe you've asked yourself, when should I come out of the closet as an unbeliever? Or even, should I tell my close family and friends at all? Have you explored progressive Christianity, tried other faiths, or perhaps leaned on other outlets like drinking or drugs to cope? Take a breath. Just pause for a moment. If you've tried all these things to find purpose beyond your old faith and nothing has clicked, you're not alone. And I might have something that could help. So, again, I'm Jeremy West. And listen, while I don't claim to have all the answers, I have been where you're at. Not that long ago, 2 decades ago, but it doesn't feel very long ago, I was struggling with the same questions. And I know what it feels like if you're taking one step forward only to take 3 steps back. It's overwhelming, drowning in self-doubt, confusion, and that nagging sense of, what now? But here's the good news. There is a way through this, and if you're ready, I want to share it with you. I've guided people just like you through a process that helps you rediscover your purpose and peace without the religious framework you once leaned on. They call themselves peace pioneers or mindful seekers, and this journey has led them to clarity, purpose, and a deeper sense of who they really are. Here's what I'm offering. I'm offering the chance to join a small group of founding members, just 10 people, on a step-by-step journey. Together, we'll explore how to move from confusion to clarity and from feeling lost to living a life full of meaning. No fluff, no shortcuts, just a straightforward roadmap to help you break free from the uncertainty and embrace a new direction. I'm not talking about some abstract philosophy or unattainable goal. This is about real, tangible progress. So if you're interested in claiming one of these spots and joining this community of like-minded people, here's what you do. Email me at itsnowagain@gmail.com. That's all the letters, no apostrophe. Itsnowagain@gmail.com, and I'll follow up with more details tomorrow. This is your chance to take the fast lane to a life of meaning that you can truly be proud of. Let me show you that there's a better tomorrow waiting for you, because I believe there is. Thank you for tuning in today. I'm passionate about helping people find peace beyond faith. And if this resonates with you, reach out. Let's keep the conversation going. Remember, that's itsnowagain@gmail.com. Until next time, stay present, keep practicing, and remember, it's now again.